Welcome back to another K-Core Fort Myers online tour. Today we are in Entrada. Yes, we're in Entrada here, and I want to show you this Cali model home. It's 1,828 square feet on the air, 4 bedrooms and 2 baths. It's from the Express Home series here. I'm sorry about the garage. That's where they keep the golf cart to take the, people that want to see homes, and they have the garage open. Sorry about that. And this is a very unusual house because you have the offices inside the house. So bear with me. Okay, as you come in, you have this beautiful hallway. Check out all the nice floor tile. The whole home except the bedrooms, they have tiles. Okay, over here you have this closet. It's a coat closet. Very rare in Florida to have a coat closet, but it's good to have closets. Okay, as we come in here, I'm going to show you the first bedroom. That's actually an office, but this is the bedroom, and it has its own closet here. Check out the closet, just a door open. And sorry about the office. I mean, this is the model, and this is where they have their sales office. So here's the bathroom. This is not a bathroom with this home. This is a handicap bathroom to open, for the public. Remember, this is their sales office. But deal with me. I mean, I just want to show you the layout of the home so you have an idea of what the layout is. Okay. Now we're gonna go over to the other bedroom, and similar in size as the other one, and you have a closet right over there. So let's keep going here. Okay, you see the cam lights. It has cam lights all throughout the house, LED, so that's pretty cool. Over here we're gonna go into the garage. I'm sorry, but there's a lot of stuff in there. All right, now over here we have another bedroom. Actually, this this could be like a flex room. You have you have another closet right there, and this is their model where you select all your granite and stuff that you want for the home. So let's keep going. Over here, this is the laundry room. You can see, as you wash and dry here, and pretty nice. It's inside the house, so that's cool. Check out the thermostat and the smart house control. Pretty cool. Okay, now we move on here, and you can see the kitchen, open open layout, and you see the dining room on the back there, and the living room over here to your left. So it's very nice because the kitchen is like right in the middle of everything. So it's a pretty good sized kitchen. Check it out. There's a nice big island. You got our stainless steel appliances here. Over here, check out the pantry. Pretty good sized pantry. And let's come over here, the dining room. Check it out. You have a lot of space around the dining room. It's not like all on top of each other. Everything's not, tight. Plenty of space. And over here, you got your living room. Check it out. How cool. All right. Let me move over here so you can see from another angle. Check it out, the living room. I like this because the living room is kind of independent from the dining room. Some other open concepts, you have both of them really next to each other. So this one's pretty cool that it's kind of tucked away, the living room. So let's come inside now into the master bedroom. Check it out, pretty big size. So you can see it's carpet. Okay, and you have a pretty good space. Pretty good. It's pretty spacious. Let me stand over here in this corner so you can visualize better the size of the room. Check it out. Nice. That's the entrance to the master bathroom. So you come in, you can see your two sinks over here, with a cabinet. Then you got your shower. Over here you got a the closet with a toilet. And in here you have the the big closet. It's a pretty big size. And over here you got another closet, a smaller closet, but it's there, it's pretty nice. The big closet is pretty big, so that's good. You got a lot of space there. Let me give you another shot here of the two sinks. And check out the closet back there. It's pretty good size. Okay. So let's keep going. Over here, I'm having a little issue with my camera. Come on. And here we go. I know I'm having a problem with this gimbal lately. I'm in the process of upgrading my video system here. So probably by next month you're gonna start receiving even nicer video than this. So, because I mean, this system has been with me for a long time already, and is getting kind of issues, electronic issues. So, okay, let's go outside here. And let me show you the lanai. It's it's a decent size. It's 10 feet 11 inches by 7 feet and 11 inches. Let me go out here so you can see it from outside. As I'm telling you, this is a model home. I mean, I just want to show you the layout. If you like the layout, you want more information on the price and what's available, if anything's built up already, just feel free to call us. I don't like to put prices because they're new construction and the prices tend to change a lot, and I don't want to make a video that change the price and then I'm misleading. So feel free to call us, and we'll give you an idea of the price. Okay, so I hope you enjoying this video. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please feel free to hit the subscribe button, so that way every time I put in a video, you'll be able to see it. Okay, I put videos on Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays if weather permits. And if you're thinking about moving to Cape Coral, 4 Mile, Southwest Florida, feel to contact us. I mean, my wife and I have been selling this area over already 20 years, so we're pretty experienced with a lot of communities and what's going on in the area. So you can call us at 239-410-7372. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next video.